In this video, I will explain to you how to use OpenAI Realtime API with WebRTC. So I will use Python for it. So that is I have already developed with the GitHub Copilot. So when you will just run this, you just need to click at here, call to OpenAI Realtime API. So that is a just user interface calling to the OpenAI. Okay, hello, how are you?
Hey there, how can I help you today?
Okay, that's great. So can you just change the background color?
Of course. What colors would you like for the background?
You can choose any random color. Okay, that's great. Okay, can you send our current conversation to the email?
Could you please provide the email address you'd like me to send the
It
conversation
is,
to?
it is already registered there. Okay, so you are sending the email, right?
Yes. I've sent the summary of our conversation to your registered email address. If you need
Okay.
any,
Okay, that's great. I have received the email. So, okay, I'm just going to end the call. Thank you very much. So I'm just going to end the call. So that is again, okay, as you can see, I have just received the email, the call summary, and that is over all the information for the summary. You asked me to change the background color and something like this one. Okay, let's talk about the code. So you just need to open this link, open your real-time API on GitHub, and at here you there is a prerequisites. So you just need to install the Python, Flask, etc. And you just need to clone this directory, and you just need to copy the environment file, and you just configure your SFTP credentials and the OpenAI credentials at here. And if you want to activate the virtual environment, then you just need to activate the virtual environment and also install the requirements. So I have already installed those requirements and just simply run it. Okay, so as you can see at here, I have python app.py. So that is installed, and let's discuss about the code. And that is a app.js, and here is a call.html file, and here is a app.py. So let's talk from the call.html. That is a simple HTML layout. So for the interaction to the OpenAI Realtime API, and that is the app.js. So that's all with the start beeping, stop beeping. So that is the custom functions which are we are using for changing the background color, and that is a custom function for the send email. And that is the init OpenAI Realtime function, which is the main function. So first of all, I'm just getting the ephemeral key from the session in the app.py, and here I just build up a pair connection. So when it is connected, then it just say the connection connected, and here I'm just streaming out all the data, and that is the functions calling for the session dot update. When it will be connected, then I'm just sending the configure data on open connection. So as you can see that whenever the data channel is open, then I'm just configuring the data. And for whenever I just receive the message, I just check if there is a function call, then I just make a function call. Otherwise it's all okay. And here I'm just sending the SDP message to start the WebRTC connection. So that's all done. So that's all have which is at here. So, and these are the simple function for start call or end call for the summary, and these are show notification events. So that's all done. So if you have any question, just leave a comment. I will surely reply to you. Thank you very much. Bye.